Hey, what's up, guys? My Nutri Ninja just came, and we about to try it out for the very first time. Oh yeah, just got my new Nutri Ninja Auto IQ. Super excited. We about to make a smoothie. Alright guys, just opened this up, took everything out. See here I got the 12 ounce cup, the actual unit itself, and it comes with the main cup, which is the 24. This is the one I'm probably going to be using all the time. You already see got the blade connected already inside. Come with a manual and a recipe book. I'm going to actually take a look at this sometime. Little recipe book, got directions, but I think I know what I'm doing lightweight. See the unit here? It's pretty small because it's the older one. You see this, the older one, the big boy. Probably ain't gonna use this no more. And here's the unit right here. Boom. So there's everything come in the box right here. Real simple. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to wash these cups out. You know what I'm saying? I don't know where they was at. So I'm about to wash these up, clean them up. Then we're gonna make a smoothie. Alright guys. I got me a nice little smoothie set up. Basically I just got orange juice, some frozen strawberries, a scoop and a half of vanilla protein, a little bit of oatmeal, and some cinnamon. About to mix it all up. This is my very first use. Alright guys, you see you got the controls down here. You see you got the start stop button, the pulse button over to the left. You got the auto blend and the auto ultra blend. So since I got these frozen strawberries in it, they say the ultra blend is for hard stuff, so like ice and frozen fruit. So I'm gonna use this, or really I wanted to use the pulse. So I don't know, but we're gonna try it out. We're gonna check it out. I'm just gonna hit this. We just go with the ultra blend, see how this work, and hopefully we good to go. See what we got. Ready? Okay. Okay. Got a little timer on it. Look at it go. So you got the timer on it. And we are done. Alright guys, I had to do this part over because my head was cut all the way off. But anyway, took the smoothie off. Tastes really good. You see I got the little cap on here. We'll be drinking this later on. But the consistency really smooth. I got the little oatmeal grains in there so I could taste that. But the consistency is really smooth. So super happy with the first use of the Nutri Ninja. Hopefully it lasts a while, because I did see in some of the reviews, people was like, oh, you know, it quit on me. I only seen a couple say that, but people say, oh, it stopped after a couple weeks and stuff like that. So hopefully this lasts a while. If this lasts for a good amount of time, I will get on Amazon and write a review on this, because so far so good. Keep in mind this is a 24 ounce glass, and they got the other smaller glass that go with it. You can see the difference. I'll probably always be using this though. But the cool thing is you could actually make two different, you know, types of smoothies with these and just have them both in the refrigerator. You know what I mean? So I really like this. So guys, pretty happy so far so good with the Nutri Ninja Auto IQ. Guys, if you got one, comment below. Let me know what you think. Is it holding up for you? If not, link in the description. You can check it out for yourself. I got it from Amazon. I paid 79 bucks for it. You might can find it cheaper if you scroll through the site a little more. But that's my take on it. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.